Students, now about two types of the plants. These are Atropa belladonna and Datura. These drugs obtained from these two types of the plants have hallucinogenic properties. Next, another some amount of the drugs are there. Barbiturates, students, barbiturates used as sleeping pills. Okay, inactivate the central nervous system in the body. Barbiturates also used as sleeping pills. Okay, and amphetamines stimulates the central nervous system. Sleeplessness used as a sleeplessness, that is also called insomnia, enable to sleep. Next, benzodiazepines used as tranquilizers. Okay, students, depressant, tranquilizers slows down the body function, inactive the body functions. Next, benzodiazepines used as tranquilizers. Lysergic acid diethylamides, LSD, lysergic acid diethylamides, used as medicine to treat patients with mental illness and mental illness like depression and insomnia. Okay, students, these are the drugs also very important. Barbiturates used as sleeping pills. Amphetamines helps in sleeplessness. Next, benzodiazepines, tranquilizers. Okay, students, adolescence, it is a time period between beginning of the puberty and the beginning of adulthood. Okay, and adolescence, it is the time period between the age of 12 to 18 years, and 12 to 18 years said to be as adolescence period. Okay, next, it is a adolescence is the period, it is a maturity stage, and a child becomes mature with mental development, and the physiological developments also occurs at this time of adolescence period development. Next, during this stage, biological and behavioral changes also takes place in the individual also shows some amount of the biological and physiological changes at the time of the adolescence period. Next, another, thus adolescence is a very vulnerable phase. Okay, student, it is about the adolescence period. Adolescence is the period most vulnerable phase. Okay, student, it is about the adolescence and some amount of the drugs. Students, addiction and dependence. What about the addiction and dependence? Addiction, that means addictive nature about the drugs, tobacco, drugs, alcohol. Next, in this, addiction is with the repeated use of the tobacco, drugs, alcohol, and at the same time acceptance level, tolerance level of the receptors present in our body is increases. Okay, acceptance level of the tobacco, drugs, alcohol receptors present in our body is increases. Next, and receptors at the same time respond only at higher doses, leads to greater intake, and it also causes greater intake and the addiction. However, it should clearly born in the mind that one is use of TDA even once, use of tobacco, drugs, alcohol even once, and can be a forerunner to the addiction. It is also leads to addiction. Okay, taken into more times. Next, it is a mental attachment, psychological attachment to some effects like euphoria. Okay, euphoria, drugs also causes euphoria. It is a mental attachment, a psychological attachment. one type of the feeling, thinking, attachment to some effects like a euphoria. Thus, addictive potential of the tobacco, drugs, alcohol, and pull users into a vicious circle leading to their regular use from which they may not be able to get out. Next, in the absence of any guidance, any counseling, any type of the counseling, people get addicted and become dependent on these tobacco, drugs, alcohol, like this type of the drugs. It is about the addiction. Next, second one is dependence. What about the dependence? It is the tendency, characteristic feature. It is the tendency of the body to a characteristic unpleasant condition in the regular dose of the drugs or alcohol is abruptly discontinued, suddenly discontinued by the individual, by the persons. Okay, drugs or alcohol is abruptly discontinued, and unpleasant conditions are characterized by like a anxiety and the tremors and nausea, sweating. Anxiety, tremors, nausea, sweating, which may be relieved when regular use is resumed again. Next, dependence leads the patient to ignore all the social activities, all the social norms, all the social activities, social functional activities are ignored by these persons. Next, prevention is better than cure. Justify, this is the statement about the TDA abuse. In this, measures useful for prevention and control of the tobacco, drugs, alcohol abuse among the adolescents. Okay, adolescents easily enters into the type of the trap about the TDA abuse, tobacco, drugs, alcohol abuse. And the age-old adage, that is prevention is better than cure, that holds true here also. In this, these are the measures, students, about the prevention and control of the TDA abuse from the adolescents. In this, first one is avoid undue parental pressure. Avoid undue parental pressure. In this, students, every child has his or own choice, own capacity, and own personality. In this, the parents should not force among their children to perform behind their capacity, behind their strength, behind their personality by comparing them with others in studies and the games. Don't compare with others in studies and the games. Okay, it is avoid undue parental pressure. Next, second one is responsibility of parents, teachers. Responsibility of parents, teachers. It is the second one of the measure. They should look for danger signs. These are the signs. These are the particular activities about the TDA abuse. These are the signs observed in the certain adolescents, certain individuals, and at the same time counsel such students who are likely to get into that type of the trap. Next, third one, seeking help from peers. Peers, these are same persons, same age persons. Peers means seeking help from peers. Peers find someone abusing drugs. Peers find someone abusing drugs or alcohol. Immediately it should be brought to notice of their parents or teachers so that they can guide them appropriately. It is the third one, seeking help from peers. If peers identify such type of the students and individuals, adolescents, and immediately brought to notice to the parents. Next, fourth one, education and counseling. What about the education and counseling? It is the fourth one of the measure. In this education counseling, the children to face problems, stress, failures as a part of the life. Okay, stress and goes to the depression and the failures. Okay, these are the some amount of the problems. So these are part in your life. Okay, education counseling the children to face problems, stress and the failures are as a part of life. Next, fifth one, seeking professional and medical help. What about the seeking medical professional help? Lot of help is available in form of highly qualified psychologist, psychiatrist, and goes to de-addiction and rehabilitation programmers. De-addiction and rehabilitation programmers. Rehabilitation, that means try to get into the normal life, healthy life. Okay, that is a rehabilitation program. De-addiction programs also given to adolescents who are enter into that type of the drop or TDA abuse. Qualified psychologist, psychiatrist. Okay, these are the programs. De-addiction program, rehabilitation programs are given to persons by qualified psychologist and psychiatrist. This is about seeking professional and medical help.